Hi, I'm your math help tutor, and today we are going to learn about the different ways of writing numbers. There are three main ways of writing numbers. We could use what we call as the standard form, wherein we use numerals or digits arranged in a certain order. We could also write numbers using what's called the expanded form, which is also called as the expanded notation, which indicates the place value of each digit in a number. And last is, we could write numbers using words, just like how we read numbers aloud, like 2421, for example. The standard form of writing numbers, which uses digits and places, is the most common way of writing numbers. Using the standard form, we write numbers using digits that are arranged in the specific order of their place or place values. So to represent the number 1,672,894, we use digits in a certain arrangement according to their place and place value. Here, we can see that the digits are arranged specifically by their place and place value. So the digit 4 in the ones place, which has a place value of 1, has a value of 4. The digit 9, which is in the tens place, which has a place value of 10, has a total value of 90. The digit 8, which is in the hundreds place and has a place value of 100, has a value of 800. The digit 2, which is in the thousands place, which has a place value of 1000, has a value of 2000. The digit 7, which is in the 10,000s place, has a place value of 10,000 and has a total value of 70,000. The digit 6 is in the hundred thousands place, which has a place value of 100,000 and has a total value of 600,000. And of course, the digit 1, which has a place value of 1 million, has a total value of 1 million. The next way of writing numbers is using the expanded form. In order for us to write the expanded form of a number, we have to know the digits, their place values, and finally, their actual values. In order to write the expanded form of a number, we show that we are multiplying the digit by the place value, which gives us the expanded form of each digit's value. So for the digit 4, for example, which is in the ones place and has a place value of 1. So to show the expanded form of the value of this digit, we have the digit and the place value, which gives us a total value of 4 for that digit. For the digit 9, in the tens place, which has a place value of 10, so we show that the digit 9 is multiplied by the place value, which gives us a total value of 90. And then we have the digit 8, which is in the hundreds place, and it has a place value of 100. So the expanded form is we show the digit 8 multiplied by the place value, which gives us a total value of 800. And we have the digit 2, which is in the thousands place and has a place value of 1000. So the expanded form is the digit multiplied by the place value, which gives us a value of 2000. Next, we have the digit 7, which is in the 10,000s place, and we multiply the digit by the place value, giving us a value of 70,000. Next is we have the digit 6, which is in the 100,000s place, and the place value is 100,000. So multiplying the digit by the place value gives us a value of 600,000. And last is the digit 1, which is in the millions place and has a place value of 1 million. So multiplying the digit by the place value gives us a value of 1 million. Notice that the sum of the values of each digit in the number gives us the number itself, which is 1,672,894. Now, there are two versions of the expanded form of numbers. Here, you can see the first version, wherein we show that we are adding each of the digits' values. Take note that the total amount of the sum of the values are equal to the number. So this number, 1,672,894, which is written in standard form. So in order for us to write it in the first version of the expanded form, we take note of each of the digit of our number, and we take note of the place value of each of the digit, and then we multiply the digit by the place value, and then we get the value. So what we do is to have the first version of the expanded form, we add each of these value to the other values. So we have 4 plus 90 plus 800 plus 2000 plus 70,000 600,000 plus 600,000 plus 1 million. And if we sum this all up, if we add all these values up, we get the number 1,672,894. The second version of writing the expanded form of a number is to show not only the addition steps between each of the values of each digit, but also the multiplication step of each of the digit and the place value combination. So again, we have the number 1,672,894 written in standard form. So what we do is we take note of all of the digits of our number and also the corresponding place value of each digit. And we write the expanded form, which is the digit multiplied by the place value. So we do that for all of our digits. And what we do is we write the expanded form of that digit plus the expanded form of the next digit plus the expanded form of the next digit, and so on. And of course, if we add up all these digit and place value combination, we're going to get the number itself, which is 1,672,894. And the last is the third way of writing numbers, which is by using words. We do this by first being familiar with the names of each of the place values. We have to know the ones, the tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, and millions, and so on for bigger numbers, and where they are found in a number which is in standard form. So for the number shown on the left side, we take note of each digit and the place value of each digit. And so we have our digits of the number and the place value of each number. And we have to be familiar with the place value in words. Okay, so we have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, and millions. Next is we get the value of each digit. So we have the digit 1 has a value of 1 million. The digit 6 has a value of 600,000. Digit 7 has a value of 70,000. Digit 2 has a value of 2,000. The digit 8 has a value of 800. The digit 9 has a value of 90, and the digit 4 has a value of 4. After that, we say out loud the number. Just be sure to organize the number in sections called periods, or in groups of 3 digits beginning from the ones place. So this is a period, this is a period, and this is a period. So one period in a number is composed of 3 digits beginning from the ones place. And after 3 digits, we have another period, which begins at the thousands place, and so on. So for this number, we read it as 1 million, and then we take note of the periods, 672,894. Now it's time for interesting fact time. Do you know that you can also represent the expanded form of numbers using blocks? Here's how to do it. We draw blocks to represent each digit's place value, and we draw each place value multiple times, depending on the place's digit. Say for the number 156, first we have to know the different digits and each of their place value and value. So for this number, we have 3 digits. Digit 1, digit 5, and digit 6. Digit 1 is in the hundreds place, which has a place value of 100. Digit 5 is in the tens place, which has a place value of 10. And digit 6 is in the ones place or units place, which has a place value of 1. And of course, the total value would be place value multiplied by the digit. So the digit 1 has a value of 100, digit 5 has a value of 50, and the digit 6 has a value of 6. Next, we can represent each value with blocks. So the value 100 is represented by the large blue square shown here. That's divided into 100 separate blocks. So if we count this, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then if we count all of these squares, there's a total of 100 blocks. Okay, so there's one piece of a block that has a place value of 100, which gives us a total value of 100. So this is the digit 1, which has a place value of 100 and a value of 100. Next is we can have these green columns, wherein each column is composed of 10 blocks. Okay, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we have 5 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these green columns can represent the digit 5. There are 5 green columns, and its place value is 10. Okay, digit 5 with a place value of 10, which gives us a total value of 50. So when you count all of these blocks in the green columns, this amounts to 50 blocks or 50 squares. And last is we need 6 more blocks. And this is to represent our ones place. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 with a place value of 1, giving us a total value of 6. And that's it. You can see that we can visualize a number using blocks organized based on their place value and digits. Now let's review what we have learned. You can pause the video if you need more time to answer the questions. Let's begin. The three main ways that we can write numbers are the standard form, the expanded form, and by using words. Writing numbers using digits is called blank. Writing numbers using digits is called standard form. Writing numbers while showing the place value of each digit is called blank. Writing numbers while showing the place value of each digit is called the expanded form. What is the number represented by the number of blocks shown below? The number represented by the number of blocks shown here is 135. So we have one piece of a block that has 100 squares, which has a value of 100. That's represented by the digit 1 here, which has a value of 100. We have 3 sets of blue columns, which has a place value of 10. It has 10 squares each and has a value of 30, represented by the digit 3 in the tens place. And then we have 5 ones, 5 pieces of ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that we have the digit 5 of the ones place, represented by the digit 5 in this number. So if we add them all up, it gives us 135. And that's it for now. Remember to keep on practicing your math skills with our simple exercises and workbooks. See you then. Visit mathhelptutor.com to improve your math skills and your math test scores today. You can do this through your unlimited access to all our math lessons, practice quizzes, and workbooks. You can also schedule a one-on-one tutorial session with us today. Check out the links below this video to see how you can support us if you found this video helpful. Of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video and this channel to your friends and family who might need this. See you soon!